Tired of losing money in the Las Vegas casinos? Try beginner-friendly mountain biking trails in Cottonwood Valley for a rush without breaking the bank. Watch our video for stunning views and a new kind of gamble. This is Gavin, our guide.
Yeah, I'm out of words.
Okay.
Go right back?
Yeah, let's go.
I think it's snowing.
Snowing?
Yeah, I just think I just saw a flake. I've seen a couple. Woo! Yeah, so there's trailhead starts like halfway up the hill. So we got a bit of a climb, but pretty well forced. Woo! I got so Cactus.
As we set out on our ride, a few flurries danced in the sky like tiny specks of magic dust. My wife and I were eager to discover new trails, but the unknown made us a bit apprehensive. We ascended the trail towards Mustang Loop, our breaths coming in short bursts as we tackled the incline. But let me spare you the details of the heavy breathing and the fast heartbeats, and skip to the good part, the flowy stuff. We trusted Gavin, but what did he have in store for us? The desert stretched out before us, vast and untamed. We could feel the thrill of adventure pulsing in our veins. As we rode deeper into the desert, we felt the rush of the wind and the chill of the air. The mountains loomed in the distance, their majestic peaks shrouded in misty clouds. We gazed in wonder at their beauty, unaware that those same clouds would bring a snowstorm that would soon overtake us. I'd seen YouTube videos of Mustang Loop, and I was eager to try it for myself. The trail promised a fast and flowy descent, a rush of adrenaline that I couldn't resist. With my Insta360 1X2 strapped to my back, I was able to capture the stunning beauty of the world around me. The camera gave me a hovering view of the trail behind me while capturing Rosie and the thrill of the ride. With every turn, we felt the world fall away, and all that mattered was the next curve, the next rush of speed. For a few fleeting moments, we were one with the trail, one with the wind, and one with the beauty of the world around us. The wind whistled past us as our bikes hummed, the rush of adrenaline flooding our veins. In that moment, we were free, we were alive. Our fearless guide Gavin had promised us a chance to see some donkeys on our ride, and true to his word, we soon caught sight of these majestic creatures in the distance. They were a wonder to behold, their rugged beauty a testament to the power and resilience of nature. Check out the donkeys over there.
Nice. Oh, how cute! They don't mess with them.
No, they are extremely defensive animals.
Oh shit.
Get off like a whole pack of coyotes or wolves on their own. Do not mess with the donkey; they'll pulverize.
Oh shit, there's another one right there.
Yeah, so keep a little bit of good pace. He looks a little older than the others too.
Okay.
Yeah.
But they attack them when they're spotted.
You have to go at them. Also, I don't think you should make eye contact. That was a bit of a theory. I'm not 100%, but
Okay.
don't look them in the eyes. You should never pet wildlife. Like my favorite fun fact of all time. On average, on the south rim of the Grand Canyon, there are 30 squirrel attacks a week that people have to go to the clinic for. It's like 1,500 a year. It's wild. So you should never pet wildlife. I think I could pet a donkey if I desperately want to.
As we watched them, I couldn't help but feel a tinge of fear mixed in with awe and wonder. Sure, they looked majestic and all, but I couldn't shake the feeling that they could turn on us at any moment. Despite the potential danger, there was still something magical about witnessing these creatures in their natural habitat, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of nature. These creatures, known as burros, trace their lineage to miners of a bygone era, reminding us of the rugged American West. Their scruffy bodies and expressive eyes seemed to move in a synchronized dance, all under the guidance of a powerful jack. It was as if they had mastered the art of desert survival, thriving on very little water and communicating in their own unique language of brays and grunts. As we rode through the desert, a sense of foreboding began to grow within us. In the distance, we could hear the faint rumbling of thunder, a warning of the storm to come. The air grew heavy with anticipation, and the sky darkened with ominous clouds. Despite our fear, we pressed on, determined to face whatever lay ahead. Our fearless guide Gavin remained unfazed by the approaching storm. He rode with a reckless abandon, his hands waving wildly in the air. His carefree attitude was contagious, and we found ourselves swept up in the joy and freedom of the moment. The world around us seemed to come alive with wonder and magic. The yucca plants swayed and danced in the wind, their leaves brushing past the camera like ethereal spirits. As we reached the end of Cactus Slalom, our hearts pounding with excitement and adrenaline, we knew that our journey was far from over. Ahead of us lay a new challenge, a trail called Landmine that promised to test our skills and push us to our limits. With determination, we began our ascent, eyes fixed on the rocky terrain ahead. The trail reminded us that it wasn't only about the thrill of the descent, but also the journey of the climb. We had reached the top, our bodies exhausted but our spirits soaring. We knew that we had accomplished something truly special. For in that moment, we had not just conquered the trail, but also our own fears and limitations. And that, my friend, is the true beauty of the ride.
You know how I said people turn into kids while they're in the desert again?
Yeah.
Poop joke incoming. That donkey pooped in such a straight line. Like, full focus, didn't stop.
Oh, I see it right there.
That scene in E.T. where Elliot used the Reese's to lure him inside his closet.
As we began our descent down Landmine, my wife rode behind me, her presence a constant source of comfort and companionship. And though I longed to capture her riding, it wasn't the right moment, as the trail was still too steep and dangerous for her to lead. Together, we rode on with our hearts in sync, feeling the wind on our face and the trails unfolding before us like an endless adventure. Landmine was a roller coaster of rolling hills, each one more thrilling than the last. In the distance, I could see the storm clouds gathering, a dark mist engulfing the mountains in their embrace. As I rode on, my mind pondered the name given to this trail, Landmine. It suddenly dawned on me that the name might have originated from the droppings of the donkey, which could appear at any moment, just like a landmine.
Snow! It's snowing!
As we ventured back along the trail known as Little Daytona, A sudden chill descended upon us as the air grew thick with dancing snowflakes. The once tranquil trail was now transformed into a muddy red color with flurries flying by. I couldn't help but feel a sense of excitement building within me, a sense of anticipation for the moment when I'd finally let Rosie lead, for I knew that when that moment arrived, it would be magical. As soon as Rosie took the lead, something extraordinary happened, just like in those magical movies where the impossible becomes possible. The snowflakes began to grow bigger and bigger, and my heart raced with excitement. I knew this was going to be an exhilarating experience. We were going to ride without any worries or constraints, feeling the cold wind in our hair and the snowflakes on our face. We were going to be fully alive. Sure, we may have looked like two lunatics to the outside world, but in that moment, nothing else mattered. We were in our own little snow globe, and we were having the time of our lives.
You got it, you got it, you got it. Nice.
Alrighty, rocky section, grand finale time.
You got it, you got it. Oh.
Okay. Now go ahead.
Sure.
And here, Cactus.
Thanks. Oh shit. Nope.
I can't tell you how many times I've tried that move. I've done it twice.
Did you do it right now?
No. You gotta hit it from the right, left. There's a little line. But it's also steep and wet right now.
Beautiful, but so is sticky.
Yeah.
The forecast this day rain is a very pleasant surprise.
Yeah.
As the snow continued to fall around us, and we were both feeling the chill, I couldn't help but feel grateful for the amazing experience we just had. I knew this was an adventure we would never forget. I mean, who gets to go mountain biking in the middle of a snowstorm? We were the luckiest people on earth, and to top it off, we made it back to the van in one piece.
Yeah, I did it. I did it.
I looked over at my wife feeling a surge of pride. She had come on this adventure with me and had faced the elements head on. She was a trooper, a badass, and I loved her for it.
I've definitely had a killer ride, guys. This is one of a kind. This is a good one. I've had people quit over way less, so I'm proud of y'all. You guys did great.
Thanks. This is pretty cool.
This is a good experience. This is fun. I got my reflection with all the snow on my helmet and did it myself. It's so good.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more adventures.